po, grocery po ngayon. Malamig ng panahon. Yan. It's good that you clean the car. See, you have lots of room there. Hey, my bowling ball. Be careful with my bowling ball.
Bowling balls are gonna go like frisbees.
Frisbees. Here's my grocery man.
This one's heavy.
Yeah. So dito po kami nag-grocery ngayon. Ayan, dyan po kami ang groceryhan po namin. Ayan. Napakamahal-mahal po ng bilihin, Diyos mio. Ayan lamang pong pinamili na iyan almost $400 na po. Ay nako. Kailangan talaga magtrabaho na magtrabaho pag hindi gutom.
That's why Coca-Cola is dying.
Yeah, nobody's buying. Especially you. You're not supporting your company. You're buying Pepsi.